here's the deal. The past couple days, I've been non-stop checking the forecast, hoping and praying for snow. It said that there was going to be snow 2 weeks ago. It was just rain. The same thing happened last week. And then this week, it said that there was going to be about a week of continuous snow. And I checked the cams at the local ski resort at China Peak, and it was dumping. Now, that's at, I believe China Peak's at 7,000 feet, and Shaver Lake is around, I think it starts at about 3,500 and goes to about 5,000. I'll have to double check that. But nonetheless, fingers were crossed as I was driving up here, and I couldn't be any happier with the given situation right now. Let's check it out. All right, I can already say that the day today, haven't even gone snowboarding yet, but mission accomplished already. Now it's time to go get some freshies. We've made it to China Peak. This is about 30 minutes on the road further than Shaver Lake, where the video and the photo was taken. Absolutely amazing up here. Like I said before, I mean, the mission was already accomplished. The goals had already been achieved just from Shaver Lake, and now we're adding on top of that, the cherry on top, if you will. I don't think I've ever mentioned this, but these goggles, phenomenal. Like I've had them for 2 seasons now, and they are absolutely perfect. I have these light lenses, I have a darker lens, and they're from Outdoor Master. Now these things, I think they're somewhere between 30 and 50 bucks. I'll put the price, boop, right there, along with the link down in the description below. Check them out. I mean, it'll definitely save you some bucks as opposed to paying $100 for some goggles. I mean, they're getting ridiculous as far as the price, but we're here. It's a beautiful day and we are blessed. Here we go. Hopefully you can see me. I haven't really got too much footage because I've been trying to fully embrace this day to day. Just the powder is ridiculous. And I say that because in Central California, you generally don't come across these kinds of conditions. You have to go to either Mammoth or Tahoe or Colorado. Here, let me wipe you off. So yeah, so I've been doing a lot of just no video camera in hand, just going down, just big clean turns, just ripping through some pow. So I guess now I won't be that selfish, and I'll turn the camera around and get some footage of what it looks like today. And hopefully this does it some justice. Whew, and it is still coming down. I'm kind of bummed a little bit. I mean, I feel a little let down. I feel like I should have more snow in my beard with the situation that has presented itself. We'll work on that. Okay, back to the mountain. Not quite sure if you can even see me or not, but you know, we're gonna end it on a good note. This last run, super clean, and there's always that rule, or that, I guess, that saying, like, never say last run. So now that last run is done, we're gonna call it right here and head down the mountain, see if there's any other photo ops, and to beat the storm. The cold, wet clothes are off and the dry, warm clothes are on, and we're about to head down the mountain. But before we do, when I got into the car, I thought of something, and it's pertaining to having a beard in sub-zero temperatures when it's snowing, or when your beard freezes just from merely exhaling. There's some pros and there's some cons. A few of the pros are the beard helps keep you warm. It helps prevent wind chill factor, and it looks cool. Now, there's only one con that I can think about, and I'm currently dealing with this situation, and that's the defrost factor. Now, what I'm talking about when I'm talking about the defrost factor is the beard when it was outside, it literally freezes. If you don't have a beard or you haven't experienced this before, it literally freezes, or you have the accumulation of snow on your beard. And when you get in your car or your house, or whenever you get into shelter, basically, and the beard is thawing out, it takes around 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the situation and what the temperature is inside the sheltered area. But, I mean, I'm rambling now. But the one thing that kind of sucks in regard to the defrost situation is you get wet. So now your warm, dry clothes are no longer warm and dry. Anyways, I thought I'd just share that with you. Onward we go. Home sweet home. So we made it safe down the mountain, and the beard, let's check out the beard. The beard is 100% thawed out. All in all, today was absolutely amazing. Everything from the photos to the snowboarding. I really couldn't have asked for anything more. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, peace.